Hey there. Thinking about converting your bathtub into a shower? Well, let's dive into the pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right move for your home. First up, the pros. Increased accessibility. Showers, especially walk-in designs, are fantastic for individuals with mobility challenges. They reduce the risk of slips and falls, making your bathroom safer. Space optimization. Swapping out that bulky tub for a sleek shower can really open up your bathroom. It makes the space feel larger and more functional. Water conservation. Showers typically use less water than filling a bathtub. That means potential savings on your utility bills. Modern aesthetic. A stylish shower can give your bathroom a contemporary makeover. It might even appeal to future home buyers. But hold on, there are some cons to consider too. Loss of bathing option. If you love soaking in a bath, you might miss having that option. It's a personal relaxation ritual for many. Impact on resale value. Some potential buyers, especially those with young kids, might see a lack of a bathtub as a drawback. It could affect your home's appeal. Potential costs. Converting a tub to a shower can get pricey, especially if it involves major plumbing changes or high-end materials. So before you make the switch, think about your household's needs, the potential impact on your home's resale value, and the costs involved. Make sure it aligns with your lifestyle and financial plans. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home renovation tips. See you next time.